mo baka mami malulat sa mga binibili niya. Kasi wala na ako lang. I think may iba nga ito. Hindi ako matagpag siya sa pag-uwi. Dami yung pinagkakakalit.
Oo. Wala. Lumalangoy pa siya, oh. Lumalangoy.
Malawin pa eh.
Bara-bara dansa. Bara-bara dansa.
Three, two, one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday, liebe Bobby. Reggie. Okay, that's it. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
Reggie,
you.
can you please take the next step?
Birthday, Mama Wawi. I hope this year brings you good health, success, and plenty of positive moments. Wish you all the best in the year ahead. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Wawi. From Josa ng Switzerland. See you!
Hi, Mama! Ganda natin, right? Happy birthday! Hanggang sa pagtanda! Friendship forever! Love you! Enjoy your night! Ganda!
Hello, Mami Wawi.
Hi, Mami Wawi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We wish you good health, long life, happiness, and love, love, love. Thank you for the gift of friendship. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Mami Wawi. Happy 50th birthday. I wish and I hope you have a wonderful years to come. And that's it. I don't know what to say, but I think the best way to do it is to sing for you. Okay. I hope you're ready. And I hope you like it too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday
Happy 50th birthday, Mama Wawi! Salamat sa friendship, sa laughters, and sa marami pang chikahan. Enjoy your day! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Mami Wawi! Happy 50 wonderful years, and ang wish ko sa'yo ay more blessings to come, healthy body, peace of mind, and especially happy family. Sana marami ka pang blessings na ma-receive for the next 50 to 100 years. See you next year. Happy birthday!
Hi sis, happy birthday. I just want to say thank you for our friendship and praying this year brings you more abundance, good health, and more genuine happiness because you truly deserve it because you are an amazing person. Can't wait to celebrate with you. Again, happy birthday. Love ya. Bye.
Hi Mama Wawi. Happy golden birthday to you. I'm so sorry that I'm not there to celebrate you and hug you in person, but know that you are very much in my thoughts and in my heart always. You are such a shining light in all our lives, making it brighter and shinier each day that we know you. I hope you have a great celebration. You very much deserve it. And I hope that we get to celebrate with each other very soon, and definitely in the coming new year. Enjoy, Merry Christmas, and have a wonderful time with all our friends. Much love to you. Bye.
OMG. Hi, Mama Wawi. Oh my God, it's your birthday again. Wow, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in the whole world. I know na happy ka dyan. And most importantly, yung health mo. Huwag ka nang masyadong kumain. Piliin mo yung mga pagkain mo. Ha, Mama? And I'm working right now. So busy every day. I miss you all guys na I hope na makabalik ako dyan in time. Okay? So work muna. And I'll see you all soon. I miss you guys. I miss you so much. Bye, Mama Wawi. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi Wawi, happy 50th birthday. Hope you enjoy mo yung life being 50. At I wish you good health, more blessings. At sana yung mga wish mo pa, matupad mo pa. At maraming salamat sa friendship mo. We love you so much and enjoy.
Happy birthday to you, Mama Wawi, Mama Wawi. Madam, parang yung bagong trending na kanta na Mawi Wawi. Parang ginawa yun for you. Kasi may birthday ka na. Happy 50th birthday. Ang pag-pray ko na sana umabot din ako ng 50. Na kasing ganda mo at kasing bata mo. Maraming salamat sa iyong mga payo at sa iyong mga calm moments. Thank you for the friendship sa aming dalawa ni Bonger. And sana happy ka at healthy every day. You are in my prayers every time na pinagpipray ko yung mama ko. Kasi may high blood yung mama ko. So pag pinagpipray ko siya, naiisip kita tsaka si Olivia. So, dinamay ko na kayo para isang biyahe na ng prayer. And, kumain ka ng lahat ng gusto mo because you only live once. Huwag ka na lang magpa-overdose sa mga sugar cane para hindi mag-ano yung diabetes. Yun lang. Sana happy ka for today. And, habang buhay, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bumili ka pa ng maraming Mary Kay. I love you. Bonger loves you too. Wala siya dito ngayon. Hating gabi na. Bye. Happy birthday! See you later!
We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, happy golden, Mama Wawi. O, diba? Kita mo naman, glowing na glowing. So, keep glowing lang. At syempre, ang wish ko sa'yo, of course, better health. At huwag na magagalit. Iwasang ma-high blood palagi. Alam mo naman, we love you. At sana mag-enjoy ka sa party mo.